cannot bear the thought of life without your kiss. I still want whatever's best for you. Oh.
Anybody want a little bit more sausage?
On the boat and cruising the boat for a bit, or if it's just hop in the hydrosport and whatever is easy. Of course it is.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to me. I mean, it's.
I love being on the high.
Not saying that we actually, need soul surfers, but it's convenient.
That's why it's camouflage. Women hunt, and that's something.
You want it to be visible on the chart?
Yeah.
Let me see. You know, have you made sure that it's not already?
Yeah, I wasn't doing it yesterday.
In other words, what Ricky's trying to say, dude, is you got to add more cowbell.
All right.
Got a prescription.
Where are we heading?
We are heading to Hope Freight Channel. See if we can arrange some bear viewing, bear adventure.
Bear adventure,
And then we're going to go into an area. It's an arm that has the warmest recorded water in North America. Recorded salt water in North America. We'll see how that is.
Here, actually, do you want?
I'm good. I'm good.
I'll loan you a hoodie. Not the one I'm wearing right now. I'll loan you my underwear.
I already had to fucking deal with your. I already had to deal with your fucking underwear in the shower.
Please.
What do you think about all this?
I think that it's crazy the beauty of this area. You know, you feel like you're in alpine meadows and alpine lakes, and it's right there on the ocean.
It's crazy. How's the drive?
This is one of the most beautiful areas I've ever been in my life.
Yeah, Ricky's been aghast at the beauty, the sheer beauty of this place. He keeps
It's incredible. I mean, very few other places you can experience an area where you have the mountains dropping right into a body of water. And this place is particularly unique because you have the mountains right there dropping right into the ocean. You know, you can see this kind of thing, sure, in Lake Tahoe and other areas in the Sierra Nevadas, and I'm sure in the Rockies as well, but this is unique in that this is the ocean here. And you know, you're at sea level, and you have these incredibly stark contrasting landscapes, and it's amazing.
Hey Ricky, just kind of cruise along the shoreline here.
There's not a waterfall right here, is it? Or is that just that
little creaky?
And you never know what might be behind you. I bet you there's all sorts of waterfalls in here.
I would bet you a nickel.
Bet you a nickel.
Like otters, or seals. They're seals. Yeah, those are seals.
Those are seals.
Sea lions. Glimmer, there's a glimmer in the trees right here. That's big time.
That would last about half a second.
Just think of it.
So sick.
Let go!
Dang. Have you ever harvested mussels before?
Yep.
Came off super easy.
Yeah. I so much enjoy that duck hunting experience.
What are we doing right now?
We're in Toba Inlet right now. We went into Friend Bay and found no bears. So we've been checking out these waterfalls. Now we're going to run back out where the boat is anchored, and we're going to continue on and
Running this bit. You've been running it most of the day. How's it been?
It's been very smooth. You know, the wind's picked up a little bit here the past couple minutes, but you know, nothing too bad. Pretty smooth day. Beautiful day on the water.
Not the warmest in all the land.
Warmer water, but it's colder water too.
What do you think? Tell them, let's go that way so we can have it. No.
Hello there, how are you guys? Are you in your favorite place?